How to use Interac document verification service. To get started, you'll need a mobile phone with a camera and a form of valid government identification, such as a passport, Canadian driver's license, or provincial photo ID card. You can see the full list of accepted IDs on the Interac website. When you're prompted to use Interac document verification service by an organization, you'll be shown a list of the accepted forms of ID. Select the one you want to use to verify yourself. You'll have the option to either scan a QR code or enter your phone number to receive a one-time passcode via text message, which you will have to input to continue. Both options will direct you to continue the verification process on your mobile phone, which must be used to complete the verification. You'll be prompted to take a clear photo of your government-issued ID and confirm the readability. Some forms of ID require a picture of the front and the back of the document. Next, you'll be asked to confirm that you're a real person and that you match your government ID. This includes taking a front-facing photo or video to confirm the appearance of your face. Keep the page open until you see a confirmation that your identity has been confirmed. Your documents are being verified through Interac Document Verification Service. Once the verification is complete, the organization or service that requested it will receive confirmation. After that, you can continue your interactions directly with them. Learn more at interac.ca.